Welcome friends, you are watching a video from online channel. In this video I am showing to you how to turn off and on share option in Facebook account. Okay, please watch this video step by step. First, please subscribe on my channel and hit bell icon to never miss an update. Okay, first open your Facebook. Okay, when we upload something to Facebook, we have three options: like, comment and share, but this person don't have share option. Okay, you can watch, there is just comment and like option and no share option for this Facebook account. Okay, how we can to on share option and Facebook account? Let's start how we can to enable share option. Okay, in Facebook account, first click on three dots, find setting and privacy, then click on setting. Okay, now click on privacy setting. Now who can see your future post? Okay, click here, your activity, who can see your future posts? Okay, everyone can, or friends or friend options. Okay, okay, now click on try it now. Okay, try it now. Sorry for this. Okay, try it now. Here we have three options: public, friends, expectorant. Okay, here we have two options. Just if we select friend, public, we have three options: like, comment and share in our Facebook account. If we select friends, then we will be have just two options: like and comment. No one can to share our post. Okay,